Hello everyone, this is a smart Tasbih ring by Equantu. Model is QB702, and this smart Tasbih ring are very useful, especially when you do the Tasbih counter. It's very useful using this ring, and it gives you the 5 prayer times reminder as well. One thing that really stands out, or two things that really stands out regarding this smart Tasbih ring compared to the budget smart Tasbih rings that made out of plastic. This is made out of metal. Everything here is made out of metal, so you got that excellent metal build quality. The button is made out of metal CNC button as well, so the button is made out of metal, so it doesn't get damaged that easily. And there you got a timer there as well, so it shows you the time, and then you get the counter. Another great feature about this is that the budget priced smart Tasbih rings can only count up to 1000, whereas this one can count up to 9999. So that's another advantage regarding this smart Tasbih ring. It also has an app for smart experience, so custom count settings. The battery life of this is 40 mAh, that can give you up to 15 days of usage time. It's compact, lightweight, portable, reliable, and it's compatible with Android and iOS. So you can see the ring here. You got the timer. You got the time there as well, and then when you start pressing it, you can start the counter. Now, if you want to reset to 0, just hold the button, and it should reset to 0, and they can start the counter again. So if you don't use it, it will automatically switch off. The screen just switch off, so it saves battery that way. And if you need to see the time, you can see the time that way just by pressing the button once. And they got a magnetic charger there. It doesn't require any cables to be placed there to charge it, because it comes with this case that charges up the ring. So all you have to do is just place this inside here and close it, and it will start charging up the ring. And when the charge runs out for the case, all you have to do is use this USB Type-C charging cable, place it here, charge the case up, and that's it. Just another great thing about this is that when you're not using the ring, you can just place it here, and it protects the ring. The user manual is very useful as well, because it gives you a lot of instructions regarding this ring, like the app to scan. So if you scan the barcode, you can download the app, and there's more features on the app as well. So it's a brilliant ring. It's a smart Tasbih ring, perfect for Tasbih counter, with 5 prayer times reminder as well. So thank you for watching my video. Please do give a like and subscribe.